Hi, good morning. I'm on my way to a shopping mall to get some groceries. Well, I couldn't believe either there was a shopping mall here on the island. But there are two towns in Lofoten, and one of them has a big grocery store, and I thought it would be fun to do a video on grocery shopping with me. There's so many choices. The store is huge. Okay, I'm home again. I brought a lot of stuff. That store was ginormous. I mean, I have never seen anything like that in my life. I realized I've been grocery shopping looking like this. That's just great. I mean, it's like I'm a bird. Okay, so I will show you some things that are maybe nice to show. Pastry. I don't know what it is, but it looks good. I'll eat that later today. I got some gelato. Special Arctic gelato. I don't know, it's a caramel flavor. It's from a brand called Arctis. And Mabel's. They have like this American recipe, but it's Norwegian. It's a Norwegian muffin. It doesn't make any sense, but they taste great. Got some chocolate chip cookies, my favorite. Of course, well, I only have chocolate stuff. I got my favorite chocolate bars. This one, which has like 3 flavors in it. And this one, I don't know this one. Look, so great. A smoothie, a fruit smoothie, mango and orange. And oh, these are very nice as well. These are like, they're not hamburgers, but they're also not meatballs. It's like something in between, but they taste so great. So I really wanted to try this at home. Postcards and some stamps. The stamps were so expensive. I didn't even know, but okay. So I'm gonna send one postcard to somebody, I think. That's it. drove
this mountain. That is crazy.